In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to backtest in Mt5. Backtesting in MetaTrader 5 means running your trading strategy on historical market data to see how it would have performed before you risk real money. In Mt5, the tool you'll use is called the Strategy Tester, and it's built right into the platform. Start by opening MetaTrader 5, then bring up the Strategy Tester. You can do that from the top menu by clicking View and choosing Strategy Tester, or by using the Ctrl+R shortcut. When it opens, you'll see a panel docked at the bottom of your screen. This is where you'll set everything up. Next, choose the strategy you want to test. In Mt5, backtesting is designed for expert advisors, or EAs, which are automated strategies. In the Strategy Tester panel, select your EA from the drop-down list. If you don't have a custom EA yet, you can pick one of the built-in examples to practice. Keep in mind, Mt5 doesn't directly backtest manual, click-by-click trading. It needs an EA to simulate orders. Now select the market and time frame. Pick your symbol, such as a major currency pair or a commodity, and then choose a time frame like M5, M15, or H1. Match this to how your strategy is intended to trade. Scalpers typically use shorter time frames, while swing strategies lean toward longer ones. Set the testing period by choosing the from and to dates for the historical data you want to use. For example, you might run from early 2023 through early 2025. If your platform is missing any data, Mt5 will automatically download what it needs so the test can run. Choose the testing model next. Every tick offers the highest accuracy because it simulates price movement tick by tick, which is important for precise entries, stops, and slippage. If you want a faster run for a quick sense check, try 1-minute OHLC, understanding it's less precise. Optionally, enable visual mode if you want to watch the trades play out on a chart in real time during the test. This is great for understanding how the EA behaves around entries, exits, and news spikes. When everything looks good, click Start. Mt5 will simulate trading over your chosen period using the parameters you set. After it finishes, review the output carefully. The Results tab shows individual trades. The graph displays your equity curve. The report summarizes key stats like profit, drawdown, and win rate. And the journal logs any errors or alerts. Use these insights to confirm whether performance aligns with your expectations and to spot issues like parameter mistakes or data gaps. Rerun with refined settings, different symbols, or time frames to build confidence in your strategy's robustness.